Well, there was a lot of cleanup over the weekend after several tornadoes across northeast Texas touched down.
We know one person died after at least 9 tornadoes ranging between EF-1 and EF-3 touched down across northeast and east Texas. Look at all those. Fox 4's Dan Godwin here with the latest. Dan?
Lauren, the National Weather Service releasing some new information overnight about the extent of Friday's severe weather. The NWS now saying, as you mentioned, 9 tornadoes were confirmed in Texas, including one in the town of Powderly in Lamar County.
I'm looking for my blanket. Can I look for my blanket?
Here, family members of viewer Tina Bueller surveying what's left of their home. The tornado that touched down here in Powderly, Lamar County, was rated an EF-3 with winds up to 160 miles per hour. Total of 32 homes and other structures were destroyed in and around that town. Officials say an additional 41 buildings have major damage. There were 13 people hospitalized with injuries in Lamar County, none of them life-threatening. 8 of the injured have been released from the hospital. We mentioned Friday's round of severe weather. Total of 9 tornadoes in northeast and east Texas. At least 2 deaths are blamed on the storms. 1 person killed in Morris County, about 130 miles east of Dallas. There was another storm-related death in McCurtain County, Oklahoma. Here's a look at some of the damage from Hopkins County around Sulphur Springs. We can see a couple of vehicles completely buried under debris after a garage and a home torn apart at one location. The Weather Service says it was an EF-2 tornado that ripped through this area Friday with winds up to 120 miles per hour. Officials in Lamar County surveying the damage there say, given the severity of the tornado, they were expressing gratitude that the outcome wasn't much worse. Dan Godwin on Good Day.